Over the past few months, the world has been challenged by the COVID-19 pandemic. As a global community, we have been exerting energy and putting significant resources into mitigating the spread of the virus. One thing that this spread has made us aware of is human vulnerability. The importance of maintaining personal health and creating an environment that supports well-being. Our natural environment is an important determinant of human health. And a healthy ecosystem which supports biodiversity is critical. Like other parts of the world, Ethiopia has also been confronted with climate change and environmental degradation. Such effects have contributed to flooding, soil erosion, deforestation, and biodiversity loss. Therefore, countering climate change and paving the way for green growth has been one of our key development objectives. As we globally observe World Environment Day today, in Ethiopia, we officially launch our 2020 Green Legacy Program. Through this program, we have set an ambitious target to plant 5 billion seedlings in this rainy season. This target is part of our larger goal of planting 20 billion trees during a 4-year period. The Green Legacy Initiative we launched last year resulted in the planting of over 4 billion seedlings nationally. More than 20 million people were mobilized throughout the country in our first ever mass planting engagement. On a historic July day, Ethiopia also planted close to 354 million seedlings in a 12-hour period. Thousands of people, young and old, went out to plant their print on our National Green Legacy Day. Beyond the number of seedlings planted, an additional triumph for us is the survival rate. Of all the trees planted in last year's Green Legacy Challenge, 84% have survived. Through implementation of follow-up measures, we have been able to maximize the survival rate, which is nature's encouragement to forge ahead. Our Green Legacy Initiative is critical to Ethiopia's aspirations to build a green and a climate-resilient economy. Broad-based in our approach, our greening efforts look at both rural and urban greening. Over the past several months, national planning efforts have been underway in preparation for this year's planting season. Various nurseries throughout the country have been preparing the required number of seedlings. Federal and regional government entities have also been organizing ahead of time to proceed as intended. The only thing that makes this year different is the pandemic we are confronted with as a global community. Nevertheless, while our resilience will be tested, we are committed to meeting our set target and planting in a COVID-responsive way. So as the world commemorates World Environment Day, I call upon the global community to stand in solidarity with Ethiopia as we embark on this year's Green Legacy season. Let us stay safe, let us stay healthy, and let's keep our environment green.